The Linq On Premise installation package contains all necessary components within the setup.exe file. By running the setup file, you will be provided an installation wizard to help you with the installation process. Please ensure you read and agree to the HID license agreement. For any queries, please contact your HID representative. The Linq On Premise solution comes with its own SQLite database. For first-time installation, please ensure the SQL server is selected. Please ensure that you keep your SQL password. Upon completion of installation, to use Linq On Premise, select Launch the application. This will then start the Linq On Premise server. You will then be prompted to set your master password. This password is needed each time you launch the Linq On Premise server, so please ensure you remember your master password. Next, enter your database password to initialize the connection between database and Linq On Premise server. Linq On Premise usage is controlled via license. Please send your unique identifier to your HID representative. When you receive your license, you can import using the Import button found on the About page. Once processed, you can then open the Linq On Premise user interface by selecting the Launch button on the welcome screen. For your first-time login, please follow the initial login information found in the user guide. You will then be prompted to set a unique password to secure your default admin account. Please ensure that you download and secure your recovery key.